Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have one interesting question under the minor of a matrix. So when we are dealing with a minor of a matrix, we need to understand to say that a minor of a matrix is simply a determinant of a square matrix that you can find when you cut down some rows and columns of a matrix of 3 by 3 and greater in terms of you dealing with what is referred to as the order of a matrix. So when you are told to find the minor of a matrix 2, 3, simply means cut down the second row and cut down the third column. So we have the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the matrix of order 3 by 3, where we are told we should cut the second row. So we'll cut the second row and cut the third column. So we have cut the second row and we have cut the third column. So we have 1, 2, 7, 8. So this is the matrix that we have formed now that we have cut the second row and the third column, where the determinant, you can find it when you do major diagon minus the minor diagon. So 8 by 1 is 8 minus 7 by 2, which is 14. And when you are to subtract 8 minus 14, you get the value to be -6. So having done this very question, we can also attend to B. So our B is you finding the minor of 3 and 1, where you cut the third row and cut the first column. So we know for sure that the matrix is of this kind, where we are told we cut the third row and cut the first column, and we have the result to be 2, 3, 5, and 6, where if you were to get the determinant, 2 times 6, that is 12, and 5 by 3 is 15. And you know for sure that 12 minus 15 is -3. I know for sure you can't fail to do C. So pause the video and compare your results with what we will get for the calculation of C. So remember, they want you to cut the first row and the first column. So if you cut the first row and you cut the first column, you will have your result to be 5, 6, 8, and 9, where you know for sure that 5 times 9 is 45, and 8 times 6 is 48, and 45 minus 48, that is -3. So this is how we simply find the minor of a matrix. Your host, Golden Zulu.